In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to fix TikTok camera quality. First of all, it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to know that how to fix TikTok camera quality. You have to check your phone's brightness. First of all, you have to fix it on clear mode. Secondly, you have to record your videos with higher resolution with 1080. Still you are facing that problem, it means you have too much garbage in your app. Click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner, click on settings and privacy. You can see here option of free up space. Now clear all the cache from your device, then you will get your camera's quality better. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.